Hi there, this is part 47 of our tutorial. We look at creating tabs. We have created various tabs on our component root to demonstrate this. Our first tab is rather simple. It contains 3 tabs with some lorem ipsum. We created a container with some rows and we add the tabs in the row. For our first tab, we add a tabs container, then add 3 tabs. Each tab has a tab item, and we add a card to each of the tab items. Inside the card we add a card text and inside each card text add a lorem ipsum. When we click each tab, a change event is fired. We trap this change event to show a snack bar. This change event is bound to the parent tab's container. For our second tab container, we have added a dark color and changed the color to cyan and added some elevation to it. We also add some child tabs to it with icons and text and some cards inside each of the tabs. Our third tab's container is rather interesting. Each icon has a color and the text inside each tab is color-coded. We set a slide color to yellow. We get a tab icon, and set its color. To build each tab item content, we use a sub. We get the tab item, add a container to it and then add content to this container. We make the last tab container vertical. The code is rather self-explanatory. We also set the slider size to be bigger.